welcome guys to the Roatan Chocolate Factory, right? I'm gonna explain you and show you how do we get our chocolate from, where do we get our chocolate from, and how do we make our chocolate. We get our chocolate from the mainland Honduras. The place where we get our chocolate from, it's called the Mosquito Coast. And once we get our chocolate, this is actually how a cacao seed looks like, if you guys can see. Sample. Chocolate of the year. Chocolate making chocolate. It doesn't look like powdery, and the reason is because this one still has all the fat inside of it, while the cocoa powder doesn't have any fat inside of it, it's separated. So once it's finished from there, it moves on to the machines over here, and it spins for 9 hours. It spins for 9 hours into these machines over here. Depending the chocolate that you want to make dark chocolate, there's only 3 procedures. You add cocoa paste, it's supposed to be cocoa powder, but I call it cocoa paste because it looks like paste more like that. In cocoa powder into that part, cocoa butter, and sugar. That's it. To make milk chocolate, you just add milk. not such a big difference, you just add milk. And that's what we're making right here. So if you guys can see, it's still kind of chunky over here. Into our refiners, it's still kind of chunky, you guys can see. Okay, once it passes on to our tempering machine, sorry. That's what it does. That's what its purpose right here. So once it's finished from here, it goes onto the mold, and after the mold, it goes onto here. This machine, what is its purpose? It vibrates really fast to take all the bubbles out of them. So when you bite into your chocolate, or when you unwrap them, they don't fall apart onto you guys. So it's refrigerated for 1 hour to 2 hours and a half. When they went and reprinted them, the guy put 75 in it. It's a whole mess. He said, "Oh, what do we do with all of them? We can't throw them all away, so we have to reuse them." So we always have to tell all the customers that they're all 80%. So if you guys want to get stuff outside and start sampling them to see how they taste, right?